Hi, I'm Andy and this is New Track Mathematics Videos. I'm so excited to be here. Today we'll be looking at multiplying decimal numbers. Many of you dread decimal numbers so much, but after this video I'm going to show you, you're going to get a mastery over it. And this video I'm taking you 4 examples so that you can be able to do this perfectly at the end of this video. Now, if you want any questions or any link regarding this video, I want you to check the description section of this video and I want you to leave a comment there if possible. Subscribe to this channel if you have not done that. The first thing you need to do is to multiply the number as if there was no decimal, and then we'll go about some decimal multiplication manipulations. Now let's look at the first sample. 3.6 times what? Times 4. So all you need to do first is to multiply as if there was no decimal. That will give you 36 times what? 36 times 4. 6 times 4 will give you what? 24. That will give you 4. You carry what? 2. 4 times 3 will give you 12 plus 2. That will give you what? 14. Right? So how many decimal places do we have here? This is what? This 1 decimal place, and this is what? 0 decimal place. So what we'll do is 1 plus what? 0, and that will give us what? 1 decimal place. So all we need to do is to put this value 1 decimal place. That will give us what? 14.4. You see? Very easy. Now let's look at the next sample. In the next question we are given 2.3 multiplied by what? 4.7. So the first thing you need to do is to multiply as if there was no what? No decimal, and that will give us what? 23 multiplied by what? 47. 7 times 3 will give you what? 21. You write what? You write 1, you carry 2. 7 times 2 will give you 14 plus 1 plus 2. That will give you what? That will give you 16. 4 times 3 will give you 12. You write 2, you carry what? You carry 1. 4 times 2 will give you what? That will give you 8 plus 1. That will give you what? 9. So this will give you what? 1. This will give you what? 8. And this will give you what? 10. So what do we do? This is 1 decimal place, 1 number after the decimal point. Here we have 1 number after the decimal point. So that will give us what? 1 plus what? 1. This will be equal to what? 2. So we have 2 numbers after the decimal point. So we'll count from here 1 and what? 2. So that will give us what? 10.81. So you see, it's very easy. Now let's look at the next question. In the next question we are asked to what? In the next question we are asked to multiply 13.8 times what? Times 6 point what? Times 6.2. So the first thing you need to do is to multiply as if there was no what? No decimal place. So that will give us 138 multiplied by what? 6 what? 62. 8 times 2 will give us what? 16. You write 2, you carry what? 1. 2 times 3 will give us what? 6 plus 1. That will give you 7. 2 times 1 will give you what? 2. 6 times 8 will give us 48. You write 8, you carry what? You carry 4. 6 times 3 will give you 18 plus what? 18 plus 4 will give you 22. You write 2, you carry what? You carry 2. 6 times 2 will give you 6 times 1 will give you what? 6 plus 2 will give you what? 8. So this will be added. That will give you 6. This plus this will give you what? 15. You write 5, you carry 1. This plus this will give you 4 plus 1, that will give you 5, right? Then this will give you 8. Now remember, you have 1 decimal place here and what? 1 number after the decimal place. So this will give you 1 number after the decimal place, 1 number after the decimal place. That will give you 1 plus what? 1. This will give you what? 2. So that means we are going to have 2 numbers after the decimal place. So we'll count from here 1 and what? 2. So this will give you what? 85.56. You see, it's very easy. Now let's look at the final example. I'm giving you this example so that you can get a mastery of this after this video. Now let's look at what 16.26 multiplied by what 3.14. Now, as I told you, I want you to multiply as if there was no decimal point. So that will give us what 16.26 multiplied by what 314. Multiply. Now 4 times 6 will give us 24, right? You write 4 and you carry what 2. 4 times 2 will give you 8. 8 plus 2 will give you what 10. You write 0, you carry a 1, right? 4 times 6 will give you 24 plus 1, that will give you 25. 5, you carry 2. 4 times 1 will give you 2. 2 plus 1 will give you what 6. Good. Now 6 times 1 will give you 6. 1 times 2 will give you 2. 1 times 6 will give you 6. 1 times 1 will give you what 1. Good. Now 3 times 6 will give us 18. You write 8, you carry what? You carry 1. 3 times 2 will give us 6 plus 1, 7. 3 times 6 will give us 18. You write 8, you carry 1. 3 times 1 will give you what 3 plus 1, that will give you what 4. So all you need to do is to add this. This will give you what 4. 0 plus 6 will give you what 6. 8 plus 2 will give you 10. 10 plus 5 will give you what? That will give you 15. You write 5, you carry 1. 6 plus 6 will give you 12. 12 plus 1 will give you 13. 13 plus 7 will give you 20. You write 0, you carry 2. 2 plus 1 will give you what? 3. 3 plus 8 will give you what? That will give you 11. You write 1 and you put 1. 1 plus 4 will give you what? Will give you 5. So you see, your total value will be 501,506. So let's go back to our decimal manipulation. We have 2 numbers after the decimal point. We have 2 numbers after the decimal point. So that will give you what? 2 plus what? 2. That will give you what? 4. So that simply tells you you're going to have 4 numbers after the decimal point. So we'll count what? 1, 2, 3 and what? 4. So our result will be what? 51.0564. Wow, great. You like this video? I want you to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button. If you have any comment on this video, I want you to drop your comment in the comment section of this video. I look forward to seeing you watch our other videos. Thanks so much for watching.